In this video, I'll be showing you how to apply the pseudo state selectors when using Panda CSS. So right here, I have a button and you notice that it doesn't have hover or focus states. So to add this, I can immediately, use the classic pseudo state selectors in CSS to apply hover states. And I can give my hover background style, an amber.600 color. So I notice that it now has a hover state. And then I can go ahead to add a focus state. Similarly, I'm just gonna do ampersand focus. And this will have an outline style and an outline offset of 2 pixels. So this way, on hover, we notice the background color changes, and then on focus, we notice this really nice outline around the button. But what if I do not want to use this selectors? Panda actually offers you built-in pseudo state selectors that map to this classic CSS selectors. So instead of this hover selector, I can instantly have an underscore hover and an underscore focus right here. Nice. So we notice that nothing changes. It still gives us the same styles that we need. So this is really how to use the, pseudo state selectors in Panda CSS.